In this 4-minute vlog, I'll give you the essential points to consider before painting a room. You would think it was common sense, but I'm afraid common sense just isn't that common. Are you thinking about sprucing up your walls? Painting is often that task all homeowners dread, but it's one of the most inexpensive ways to improve the look of your home without too much effort. But before you rush down your local DIY store and start buying pots of jasmine shimmer and ocean ripple, yeah, they're real colours, don't forget the essentials first. So lighting. The quality and level of light in a room is a key factor to consider when choosing a paint colour. Rooms that benefit from lots of natural light will benefit from pale shades to enhance the bright and airy look. But you may need a stronger shade than you first thought to avoid it from appearing washed out. If the room walls are currently white, or another light colour, you should consider how painting the room a darker hue will affect the current lighting scheme. You'll need to add additional lighting. If so, save energy and choose a colour on the lighter side. So traffic. Does the space experience heavy traffic? If so, think darker. White hallways and entranceways will show wear and tear relatively quick, so avoid unnecessary cleaning by choosing a low maintenance colour. Make your paint perform for you. The finish. Surprisingly not. Not only does the colour matter, but the finish, the sheen does as well. High gloss paint finishes are very durable and easy to clean, but the downside is they often highlight imperfections in your walls. On the other hand, a flat paint finish will hide these imperfections. A more matte-like finish, such as flat, will clean as well or endure touches as well, but you won't see much imperfections either. So try samples first. No need to guess how good or bad a colour will look on your wall. For a fraction of the cost of a gallon of paint, you can purchase sample paints, take them home and test them out. We'd recommend painting onto a large A3 size card sheet so that you can lay it out on the floor with other samples such as tiles and flooring and fabrics to see how they work together. Also, if you're shopping for other items, you can take it with you. And do the math. Of course, you'll need to know the total area you're going to paint. Add up all the square footage of your walls, including alcoves and dormers, plus a little extra. But you'll need to account for multiple coats, primer, and the porosity of the walls. It's best to have some paint left over for repair work later on, so get more than you need. And don't forget to prep. Prep work will the vast majority of the time spent painting the interior of your home. This means emptying out a room, or as much as possible. Wipe down the walls to remove the dust and dirt. Tape off adjacent walls, trims and light switches. At least 3/4 of your time will be spent doing these tasks. If you have anything else to add, please feel free to leave a comment, as I'd love to hear from you. Finally, can I ask you to hit that like button and share this post, as it will give it more social reach and Facebook will allow more people to see it. Until next time, I'm Jim Parker for FIFE Properties TV.